Before you came round, my heart would never beat much faster. Before you came round.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Brandi Mack, and I'm back again today with a video for you guys. Today's video is going to be all about this Fenty Face I have going on here for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Before we hop into the video, if you would go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you would like to get notifications of when I do post videos, go ahead and click the bell icon as well. Like, comment, and definitely subscribe to my channel. Let's get right into this video. All right, y'all, so this is the finished look for my Rihanna's products and my hashtag Fenty Face. I think that this looks amazing. Doesn't look like too much is going on. Gives you a very natural look. This makeup, like once she came out with this makeup, the first go round with the foundations, I picked up my foundation color, which I am color 440 in her Pro Filter foundation. It just melted into my skin. It wasn't too heavy, it wasn't too drying. It was for me. You know, everybody has their preference and this and that, but this foundation is definitely for me, and it's affordable as opposed to other brands. I'm gonna always and forever be a Rihanna fan on this makeup, and I like Rihanna anyway, but she did her thing when she came up with these products and she launched them, and baby, she been clowning ever since. She been on it. So I'm gonna support the girl, you know. I did want to tell you guys pretty much all of the colors that I do have. Like I said, I'm 440 in the foundation. 2 of the concealers that I picked up. One is the 440, which matches my foundation color. I use that to color correct around my mouth. And then the 390 is the one that I use to set or to highlight under my eyes and down my nose and under here and up here. And these concealers are really, really creamy, as everybody is saying. They really are. They do kind of remind me of the NARS concealer. So, but I do like these a little bit better. I like just the consistency of them. What else did I get? The powders. So I did pick up the nutmeg and I picked up the banana as well. This is my first time actually trying a banana powder. I've always seen these in the past, like when I used to look at YouTube videos. A lot of girls were like on this, but at that time I was like, what I need it for, you know, for what? But as I've grown as far as doing my makeup, everything just needs to be set. Like, you gotta set it. You gotta set your whole face, honey, or it's not gonna work. But she definitely did a thing. Oh yeah, the liner. I picked up this liner also, yeah. Like, I never really like lined my eyes on the top, but when I saw how this product like came out on my hands, like I went to the store, I swatched it on my hands, and I'm like, wait a minute, I have never picked up a liner and it just comes out just like, look at this. Let me see if I can show you guys. Like, y'all see that? And it's so bold, like it's so bold, you can just, it's to die for. So pick that up too. I'm really, really satisfied to say, you know, I'm satisfied. Like, I really think that she outdid herself. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like what you see. And if you do, I would appreciate if you guys would go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and click that bell so that you will never miss a video from me. And like, comment, you know, whatever you want to do, but make sure you subscribe, okay? I'll talk to you guys later.